My month-long exam for $5,000 in funding tomorrow, why I paid the fee and how I prepared. Welcome back, I'm Matt. Why did I pay a prop trading firm $50 to get funding? Well, I did this to risk less than trading a live account and gain more than trading a demo account. By the way, the firm's name is My Forex Funds, but I'm not sponsored. Getting funded means that you're rewarded for good trading performance and able to profit with much less trading experience. So essentially that is why I stopped trading my demo account after a month, because I could afford it with the resources that I had. If you have more months of experience, obviously the better. Forex is risky and may cause you to lose more than you intend. The way I prepared for the exam was I took hundreds of hypothetical trades on each currency pair over a duration of 20 years. I wasn't able to use expensive tools like Tick Story, but if you can, you may be able to manage your trades during news events better. The two choices for next week are going to be how to select your distance for your stop loss and take profit, or how to improve your historical performance using
statistical analysis.
Follow me on Instagram at Breakthrough Forex in order to keep up to date with the news events that affect my demo account. Anyways, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.